Nick Leddy skates it up through center, brings it in, right off the stick. Vogel can't get it out. Here's Bailey, scores! Josh Bailey, what a shot under the crossbar and in. And the Islanders tie it at 2.
Shoot the puck. It's amazing what might happen. Josh Bailey didn't want to take a one-timer in the first period. Didn't want to shoot the puck, tried to pass it. And again, it's Leddy. Leddy has been all over the ice here for the New York Islanders, and he's causing havoc for the Carolina Hurricanes. He's the guy you're not expecting to be up. You got to watch him. You watch him, you let somebody else loose. And Bailey could have tried to pass this puck. Well, one way you want to become public enemy number 1 is do this. I mean, you come in, you just score a big goal, you tie it up, and you pat the goalie on the top of his mask. I don't think anyone picked this up by the Hurricanes. If somebody did, that might have started quite the rumble down low. And they're not going to appreciate it. I'm sure McElhinney didn't appreciate it either. He just let it go by. Stay focused at the job at hand.